Hi students, today we will discuss a few problems on straight lines, which is one of the important topics at the IIT JEE level. In triangle ABC, vertex A is 1, 2. If the internal angular bisector of angle B is 2x minus y plus 10 equals 0 and the perpendicular bisector of AC is y equal to x, then the equation of BC is. Now let us start the solution. Given A is 1, 2, angular bisector of B, this is B by 2 and this is B by 2, is a 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. The image of A with respect to the angular bisector of angle B lies on BC, say D H comma K. If H comma K is the image of x1 y1 with respect to ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Applying this formula here, the image of A with respect to 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0 is a dh comma k lies on BC. Implies h minus 1 by 2 is equal to k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 10 by 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. This is equal to 2 gets cancelled, 10 by 5, this is minus 4. So h is equal to minus 7 and k is equal to 6. So this is a minus 7 comma 6. Given the perpendicular bisector of AC is y equal to x. C is the image of A with respect to the perpendicular bisector y equal to x. Image of x1 y1 with respect to y equal to x is y1 x1. Therefore, image of A with respect to y equal to x, image of A with respect to y equal to x is C 2 comma 1. Now we know the point D and also C. Therefore, equation of BC y minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 by minus 7 minus 2 into x minus 1. This is minus 9y plus 9 is equal to 5x minus, this is x minus 2, 5x minus 10. Implies 5x plus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0. So the second one is the option 5x plus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0. Our second problem is a line is such that its segment between the lines 5x minus y plus 4 equal 0, 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal 0 is bisected at the point 1 comma 5, obtain its equation. Now solution. One line is 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. The other line is 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. The intercept between these two lines is PQ, say. The midpoint of PQ is given as 1 comma 5. Now, P being a point on the line 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0, I will consider this point as h comma 5h plus 4. H comma 5h plus 4. If x is equal to h, then y equal to 5h plus 4. M 1 comma 5 is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, Q can be obtained by taking Q is equal to 2m minus P. If M h comma k is the midpoint of P x1 y1 comma Q x2 y2, then Q is equal to 2m minus P, that is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 2h minus x1 comma 2k minus y1. Now with this formula, Q is equal to 2 minus h, 10 minus 5h minus 4, that is equal to 2 minus h, comma 6 minus 5h. Since Q is on 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0, then 3 into 2 minus h plus 4 into 6 minus 5h minus 4 equal to 0. This is 6 plus 24. 30 minus 4. 26 minus 3h minus 20h minus 23h is equal to 0 implies h is equal to 26 by 23. Therefore, implies Q is equal to 2 minus 26 by 23, comma 6 minus 5 into 26 by 23. This is 46 minus 26, 20 by 23. This is 138 minus 138 by 23. This is 20 by 23, comma 8 by 23. Now equation of PQ, y minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 8 by 23 by 1 minus 20 by 23 into x minus 1. This is y minus 5 by y minus 5 is equal to 23 into 5, 115, 107 by 3 into x minus 1. On simplification, we have 107x minus 3y minus 107, this is plus 15. So 92 is equal to 0. So our result is 107x minus 3y minus 92 equal to 0. That is the fourth option.